2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Yeah, let's go. Hey, you guys want to ride? There's 4 of us. We tried. It'll be good on a video. Hey, come on, you want to ride? You want to ride? Come on. It's fun. You can have mine. They're popping in that flame. Yes, everybody likes my moto doggy.
I got music playing in my helmet.
I got music playing in my helmet.
I like your helmet.
Thank you. Here, I got something for you.
Okay.
I've got a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I ride with my dog on my other bike.
Your dog?
Yeah, he rides right on the tank on my other bike.
I love dogs.
I have a Scottish Terrier. I have a cruiser. He just sits on the tank and we ride out.
That's adorable. That's funny. Your helmet though is sick. Like, that's sick.
This is the only one left. They were all over the place before. You should see my other helmet.
Yeah.
It's a little too cold to wear it now because it breathes a lot of air, but my other helmet, if you think this is sick, you should see the other one.
Alright, I will.
I did a video just on that one. It's crazy.
Nice. Thank you so much.
No problem. He rides with me a lot. He's a buddy of mine, so you'll see him on there with me and Merlin riding around.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You have a great day.
Give me one of those. Come on now. There we go. You guys have a good one, okay?
Yep.
You'll be on YouTube now. You want to race? What's up, buddy? How's it going? I'll give you a head start if you want to race. I said I'll give you a head start if you want to race. Thank you.
Oh, she smiled and nodded at me. Don't look too hard. I don't know.
We're going the back way.
You want to rev bomb these girls? Yep. Oh my God, yes. Thumbs up. We gotta go talk to him now. Hold on. Turn around. I'm gonna give him a card.
I got all that on camera, so I'm gonna give you a card so you guys can find it.
Sorry, you made me do it.
I have a YouTube channel. You guys are gonna be on YouTube because you jumped so hard. So slightly the point, yeah. Slightly trying to scare little people, but it makes for a good video. I ride with my dog on my other bike, so if you like Scottish Terriers and cute little dogs, you'll like that too. Get your engine, man. You gonna be okay if you kill it? Okay. I ride with my dog on my other bike, and So if you like cute dogs, you'll like that because he rides on the tank. You got the perfect view right there. So yeah, definitely check it out, man. We're just out riding and getting subscribers. That's my YouTube channel link and everything right there.
Okay. What type of videos do you make?
Motorcycle stuff. Motorcycle stuff and dog stuff, because that's pretty much what it is. His name is Merlin. He sits right there and he rides with me and we have a good time. Yeah, we're rolling up. I was like, do you want to rev bomb these girls? And he's like, yeah, are you recording? I'm like, yeah, I'm recording. So
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we'll have to check it out. When will the video be out?
probably a week or two.
Okay.
I got other footage I have to put out before then, but yeah, just go ahead and subscribe and you'll get a notification.
Okay, perfect.
I'll try to put you on a thumbnail so you guys can see it.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you so much.
Hey, take it easy.
Rest of your day.
Have a great day.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't let it happen again.
Yeah. You want to ride? She smiled. Dog safe. Hello. I'm looking for an adapter that turns one leash into two. Do you carry such an apparatus? Oh, let me see. Is it a black? Medium, large? Can I pull this out of here? Yeah. It's not actually for walking two dogs.
We do have some more couplers.
Oh, that's long.
Yes, in the back.
Oh, we do.
Just need to find them, so give me 1 second.
You do what you gotta do. Oh, that may be perfect. Because this, I think, I don't know. Here, let me put these down. For me, yeah, that's way too long. Can we make it shorter? No. Yeah, I think that one. Let me see. That's the middle. Put that down too. I like the clips on that one better though. You can sit up and stand up. I ride my motorcycle with my dog, and like I'll attach this to my vest, and he has one of those things with the 2 D hooks on the back. So I clap him to him so he can't go anywhere. I think this is probably going to be closer to what I want. That's awesome. No other pet store has it. I've been to PetSmart, Petco, Pet, everything. Even the place over at the airport mall, they didn't have anything. You had them here. You are better. You are better than the other stores.
One more, and I was like, what the heck are these things? Oh no, I think we've had them on the shelf for a while. They've been on like the shelf with the leashes. So I'm just kind of like.
All right, well. Hello. Yeah, for here, can I get a number 1, just the sandwich, please, and a cup of water? A high five? That was weak. You can do that better. Come on now. There we go.
Can I have a name for the owner?
Pacey. P-A-C-E-Y.
That's the same guy we saw before. Actually, dude, that's a girl. I think so. Let's turn around. It's a mixed doggy. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure that girl right there just got off the bike, the one that's walking in.
She had red hair. She's on the bike still.
Oh,
You want to get gas with her?
no. I just want to give her my card. It's a Harley Davidson.
I think it's a dude.
Hey. How are you?
How are you?
Pretty good. Just trying to make friends. I have a YouTube channel. I was going to give you one of my cards.
Awesome.
What's your name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay? I'm Pacey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is Derek. We just saw you pull in. We're like, hey, let's go say hi, see if they want to ride or something. If you ever want to do a group ride, we do group rides. Just send me like a message on there, and then I'll like send you my phone number via email or something. Awesome. And we can hook up and do group rides all the time. Sound good?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You enjoy your riding today.
Thank you, you too.
Have a good one. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. See ya.
Have a good one.
Yeah, she's pretty cute, actually. The motorcycle, unicorn. Oh, we can only do a right turn here. I guess we're breaking the law. Guess we're gonna break. We're gonna have to break the law. Let's not make the doggies too excited. I'll pet you. I'll pet you. You're adorable. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you. You want to ride? Probably the last time. Okay. Congratulations. You guys have a good day.
This actually makes your car smell really good when it gets super hot. Yeah. Maybe get one. And no, I'm not fake. My name is really that.
So, oh, seriously?
Yeah.
I was born in Savannah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Savannah. Did you take the car back? I was like, I didn't.
I've got more. Oh, there you go.
Sweet, thanks.
And each of you can have it. Go ahead and throw a subscribe on there. You guys free tomorrow? When do you want to do this?
We'll let you know.
Okay.
Just text all of us.
I will text. I'll create a group and I'll text you guys.
Sounds good.
Yep. My name's Pacey. This is Derek.
Hello.
And we'll give you guys a call. I'll text you tomorrow and see what you guys are free.
Alright.
Weather's looking beautiful this week, so it's perfect timing.
Thanks.
All right, girls. You have fun. You all look really hot too. Oh, you're over there. Okay. I thought you were behind me. How about that shit, bro? I just got 3 hot girls' phone numbers. I've only started recording halfway through, though. That sucks.